Hello friends, today we will talk about how to create pick list and field dependency in Salesforce. Salesforce has two types of pick list, standard pick lists which are predefined by Salesforce and custom pick lists which are created by Salesforce user or admin. Now let's quickly have a look at some of the standard pick list and create some of custom pick lists. Let's go to object manager and lead object. If we look in fields and relationships, let's check for some of the pick list. So you can see these are the pick list. Pronoun, this is a standard pick list because its API name does not end with _c, whereas product interest is custom pick list because the API name ends with _c. Let's go into one of the standard pick list, and you can see these are the value defined by Salesforce. You can add new value. Say for example unknown and save it. So the new value will be added. You can reorder these value at any position. You can reorder and save. You can also replace this value with other value. So you can add and remove the values from standard pick list. Let's go ahead and create some new pick list. So here I want my leads to select their drink. So I want to give them drink preference. I would like to give values. We can also select these values from global picklist value that we will discuss towards the end of this session. After giving the values, I'll keep all other settings as default. Click next. Click next and save and new. I want to create one more pick list with all the drinks. So I can write, you can write the values which you would like. You can add more values as well. I will keep other options as default. Click next, next and save. So we have created two pick list value. If we go to leads and click on create new leads, you can see that these two fields, drink preferences and drinks, are added. So if you click on drink, you will see alcoholic and non-alcoholic, the values that we have entered, and we have all the drinks here. So at this point, these two fields are independent of each other. What I would like to do, I would like, if I click alcoholic, then only the alcoholic drinks should appear in this drop down list. And if I select non-alcoholic, only non-alcoholic drinks should appear in this drop down list. This thing can be done by using field dependency. So we will create field dependency to achieve our target. Field dependency has two types of field. One field is controlling field and other is dependent field. Controlling fields control the values of dependent field. In our case, drink preference is the controlling field because drink's value will depend only on the value of drink preference. So here drink preference is the controlling field and drinks is the dependent field. Let's go ahead and create the field dependency. So in fields and relationships, you will see field dependency, new. Controlling field here should be drink preferences, dependent should be drinks. Continue. And here you need to select all the drinks that you would like to include under alcoholic and click on include. Similarly here, select all the non-alcoholic drinks and click include values. Then save it. So we have created field dependency for both the pick list, drinks and drink preferences. Let's go ahead and have a look on leads now. So if you see on these values now, if I select alcoholic drink, then I can only see the alcoholic drinks in the drop down. So you can select any of this. If I change this to non-alcoholic, I can only see non-alcoholic drinks. So this is called field dependency in Salesforce. Let's talk more about field dependency. So as we told, there are controlling fields and we have dependent fields. So in this table, you can see that different data types, which can be a controlling field in field dependency and which can be dependent field. So you can see standard picklist can be controlling as well, controlling but not dependent, because this is standard field. Custom picklist can be both dependent as well as controlling when we do have one standard picklist and one custom picklist or two custom picklist. Multi picklist can never be controlling picklist because you have to select more than one value, so it cannot be controlling field. Standard checkbox cannot be dependent field because it will have only two options, and checkbox control the values of other picklist. So this can clear your concept here, that which data type can be on which side of the field dependency. We can also create global picklist. Global picklist value sets are used for sharing a single list value across many custom picklist fields. So let's go ahead and create a global picklist value set. So in home tab, if you type picklist, you will see picklist value set. From here, you can create a picklist value. So let's create a picklist value for all the US states. Let me search all the US state names. So these are the list. You can directly copy or you can enter the list into that value set. So I'm just copy pasting from here. And save. So your picklist value is created. Now you can use this global picklist value in more than one custom picklist values. So if we go back to the lead and create a custom picklist, let me say permanent residence state. Select values from global picklist of US states. Next. Next. And save. So now if you click on this list, you will see all the values from global picklist. You can create other picklist fields as well and can pull the same values. Current state, use values from US state picklist value. Next. Next. And save. So now you can see this also has the same values. So you can use values from global picklist set into many custom picklist values. So you need not to enter values. You can directly pull the values from global picklist. If you want to change, if you want to delete, replace, or change any value in global picklist, then you have to go to that particularly global picklist value set, edit that, go to the set, and you can add the values from clicking at new, enter the value and save it. So this is the place where you can either delete, edit or add new picklist value to global picklist value set. Thank you.